Kamusta po kayo mga karayuman? Dito naman po ako, Nyolo the Third. Welcome po sa ating channel at nagla-live po tayo sa Vengador. Nandun po tayo mga kababayan, mga karayuma, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan. Okay, magbigay po tayo reaksyon dito po kay Pia Kawatanong. Umiiyak po umiiyak.
Judge Pia, kayo tanong?
Mr. President, Presiding Officer, I assume most of my colleagues, like me, were busy studying the lengthy memorandum filed by each of the parties. For the record, 30 plus pages, more or less double space yung sa prosecution. Kaya by the time I got to the defense, para na ako maduduling kasi mahaba na nga yung 30 pages na double space, napunta pa ako sa single space. Okay lang yun, kasama sa trabaho yun. Pero that's how lengthy the documents were. And I slept at 2 a.m. Hindi kasama to sa explanation ko. Di ako nagyayabang or anything. It's our job. And I'm a night person, so normal sa akin yun. And then in the morning, tuloy ulit. Sent my staff questions, asked for more details, and then we worked together throughout the morning until it was time to come here. So I don't know anything about this statement of Director Matibag. But it bothers me to hear this. I now remember that I saw a message pop up in my phone which hindi ko nga pinansin kasi nga ito yung important issue ko.
Ang daming kwento, uminom ka ng tubig, ningal ka, leche.
Aray ko.
Laging iniingal, puro ka lechehan.
Napag-aralan ko tong memorandum ng mga parties na inabala nga naman nilang very lengthily and exhaustively nila dinidiscuss in a written document. But I recall now na may nag-pop up na message from a coach telling me na gustong pa-imbestigahan yung SEA Games. And di ko talaga pinansin. And now Alan brings it up and I am bothered. There is no jurisdiction in the world that allows a judge to be pressured and intimidated. And I ask each one of you, my dear colleagues, payag ba tayo sa ganito? Ganito na ba tayo dito ngayon?
Oh. Kung hindi nagnanakaw, kung hindi nagnanakaw ang kapatid mo, huwag kang iiyak.
Aray ko.
Kailangan ba ganyan? Tigapagtanggol ka ng kapatid mo, dapat tigapagtanggol ka ng taong bayan. Taka!
Aray ko.
Don't we want a better country for our children? Why would you allow a director who's just called to be a witness next week brag that he's going to investigate? And again, I don't know. So I respectfully request that it be played. Because I want to understand. If I don't have reason to be upset, then thank you, I can focus. I can go back to the business on hand. But right now, I am upset to hear this. And I will stand up for each one of you. I don't care what side you're on. I will stand up for you if somebody tries to intimidate you.
You will stand, kalokohan mo!
Aray ko.
You will stand daw, you will stand. Kailan ka tumayo para paglaban yung iba dyan? Kailan ka tumayo? Mukha mo, Pia. Square.
So with all due respect, Mr. Presiding Officer, I ask that we play it. I want to see what this witness is doing.
Kita mo? Ano ba naman yun? Ano ba naman yan na tawag dito? Wala naman sinasabi na na tungkol sa kapatid mong tanga? Pagtatanggol mo? Pakinggan natin.
Mabago tingnan. Kumalala nyo, pumunta kami ng Clark because we were given 70 hectares for the NBI Academy. So, magkaroon kami ng relationship sa Clark. Nakita namin yung parang sports complex na ginamit ng SEA Games sa Philippine Cities Organizing Committee. Well, nakarating sa amin, tinitingnan kami dito. Kailangan kami investigahan dahil nakarating kami dito, billion pala yung pumasok dito na pera na unliquidated. At mayroong private company dito na involved na binayaran ng 10 billion at ang pagbabayad insertion sa GAA na ibinayad. So ito imbestigahan. Malaking kaso rin ito. Ay, iba pa yun. Yung sa Caldero, na kaso, I think. So, ongoing.
Oh, yan wala namang binabanggit po na pangalan dyan. Umiiyak si Pia at si Cayetano, mga tanga.
Aray ko.
Pakinggan na natin ulit si Pia.
Malaki daw kaso to. Naimbestigahan na niya? Alam niya ng malaking kaso? Paano niya nalaman? So, sa akin lang, Mr. Presiding Officer,
Halatang-halata na to kayong mga tarantadong magkapatid na to. Halatado. Halatado, no? Kakahiya tong mga to. Defense Counsel ni Sara.
Aray ko.
simple lang eh. What was the intention here? To distract the minority floor leader, who is one of only two lawyers right now, because our other lawyer was already carted off somewhere. So dalawa lang kami. So you wanna distract him. So ako na lang ang tatayo dito.
Ano yun? Ba't pag lawyer lang ba kailangan tumayo? Kupal din, no? Lawyer lang po ba kailangan tumayo dyan? Ha? Eh, ba't si Robin tayo ng tayo?
Aray ko.
Hindi siya makapag-aral. Yung ba intention? Because it is clearly the intention. The fact that he has to stand up, the fact that I have to stand up, the fact that Senator Robin has to stand up, he is distracting us from our job.
Puro ka the fact. Yung kapatid mo, in facto. Puro ka the fact. Kapatid mo, in facto.
Aray ko.
As Senator Alan said, he could do it quietly. Go ahead. Ano purpose niya? Nagyayabang siya? What's the purpose? Is he trying to intimidate us not to ask him tough questions when he is our resource person next week? I do not know. But those statements, those actions are not acceptable, possibly contemptible. So I ask the presiding officer and you, my dear colleagues, let's think about this clearly. I will stop now. As Senator Pangilinan said, we can take this up on Monday. Salamat na pinagbigyan niyo ako na mapanood natin at pag-isipan natin. Na gano'n na lang, pag may pinatawag tayo sa witness stand, abangan natin na magpe-press kung ano-ano pagsasabi tungkol sa atin. I didn't have enough time to research. But clearly, I know that there's jurisprudence that does not allow a judge to be intimidated. And if hindi pa nanakot yun, then I don't know what is. Kung hindi pa ninindak yun, then I don't know what is.
Eh, kung malinis si Alan, tanga ka talaga, piye. Nukdukan ka ng katangan.
Aray ko.
Kung malinis yung kapatid mo, unang-una, walang binanggit na name. Pangalawa, kung malinis siya, di ba, dance with the music. Harapin niya. Parang hindi ka abogado. Ay, ang yabang na abogado mo nga eh. Alam mo yan mismo, abogado ka eh, kupal ka eh.
Aray ko.
Alam mo yan, abogado ka. Di ba? Kung walang kasalanan, di acquitted. Kung may kasalanan, convict. Di ba? Naturing ang pinagmamalaki mo palagi, abogado ka, hindi mo alam.
Hindi tayo sensitive. Sanay tayo dito. Pero alam din natin kung pinapatamaan tayo, di ba? Alam natin yun. Hindi tayo tanga. O so paano? Sabihin ko ngayon sa kanya, manda ka sa akin ngayon. Pagdating mo, ganun ba? Gaganti na lang ako. Hindi ako ganun. Kilala niyo ako. For how many years ako tumayo dito? Hindi ako nanggaganti. Hindi ako mababaw. Pero I'm asking you, dear colleagues, huwag tayong papayag. The Filipino people deserve better. We deserve better. Thank
We
you.
deserve better. We deserve pogo.
Aray ko.
Kalimutan ni Pia no? We deserve better. We deserve pogo. Di ba? Deserve natin pogo, di ba, Pia? Ayan po yung ninanakit ni Pia. Alam mo, ibang klaseng senador to, manang-mana sa kapatid niya, mga inutil to eh. Mga defense lawyer na inutil ni Sara.
Aray ko.
Imbis na gampanan po yung pagiging judge, ginampanan yung pagiging tangang lawyer ni Sara. Ayan na lang po mga karayuma, maraming salamat po. Pa-like na lang po and pa-share na rin po ng ating dito sa ating channel. Pa-subscribe kayo. At nagla-live po tayo pansamantala sa Vengador. Nandun po tayo nagla-live ha. Okay? Habang may problema po tong channel natin, nasa Vengador.
Aray ko.